So a little setup for this video, if you will. The night before, I went out to the ridge here behind the house and tried to roost a turkey and got pretty successful. Heard him fly up, heard him gobble one time. So I had a pretty good idea of where he was roosted at. I texted Chris, my boss, and said, hey, I may be a little bit late in the morning, I got a turkey roosted, you good with that? He wrote back, yeah, you should come get the decoy. I was like, I actually might do that. And then a few minutes later he goes, better yet, how about I come and run the decoy and video for you? Perfect, come on. He got here the next morning, about 6 o'clock, and we got a lot closer than anticipated. We were probably within like 75 yards of this turkey. So I tried to give him a crash course of how to run this camera in the dark. Wasn't the best idea on my part. I should have gave him a crash course ahead of time. Showed him how to focus and zoom and all this stuff. So basically I just told him how to turn it on and hit record. Everything's a little out of focus. And when we got back to the house taking pictures, EJ said that the camera, the lens actually had a smudge on it. So between the smudge and there being a little out of focus, I didn't really set him up the way I should have. So completely my fault. I told him the whole point of this is to kill a turkey. Getting the footage is just a bonus. You can see how it all goes down. Basically what happens is we get in there, like I said, we get set up. It all kind of goes from there. So check it out. You hear me? Chris, I can see him. Where is he? He's about 150 yards. Straight in front of me. He's over there strutting. But he's looking this way. See that decoy? He's strutting over here. He's coming. Where's he going? Huh? Where's he coming to? He's gonna come up the road bed. See the hen. You see her? Sleep. Good job, dude. Good job, dude. Well, 4-year quest is finally over. Did you see in the tree?
I didn't see it sitting there now.
He was in that first tree about there. And he was strutting.
Really?
Yeah, the whole time. He finally jumped down. He jumped down twice. You saw him fly off?
Yeah.
He had moved 2 limbs before that. He was out there just strutting. And finally he flew off and on that top of that ridge right there. And I could see him strutting. And he looked up, I guess he saw that decoy from there. He may have could have seen it from there.
Yeah, that little bush was in the way.
Yeah, but he saw it from there. I saw him just go. And then the hen, did you see the hen?
Yeah, she popped out first.
I thought she was going to leave and take him with her. But then he was over here. And
Hey,
saw she rode.
it's nice when a plan comes together.
Man, you
That's
ain't
what,
kidding.
4 years you've been at her?
4 years after a longboard here. And the story is over. No way I could have done it without you. Or that decoy.
Come on now,
No way, dude. 4 years? Come on, there's no way.
we had the right setup on him this morning.
Luckily, I roosted him. I about had it perfect where he roosted at.
A little bit too close.
Yeah, I didn't think we were going to be that close, but when the hen flew down after he did, she was the further away. I love it. We still got time to get to work on time.
I know it. That's nice, ain't it?
Yeah, it's only 7:23.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.